Here's a pro tip on how to safely clean your garbage disposal. To safely clean a garbage disposal, first make sure it's turned off. There are many different methods to clean a garbage disposal, but you should never dump any kind of chemical cleaner into the garbage disposal or drains. Throw a few handfuls of ice cubes into the garbage disposal and turn it on while running the cold water. Ice can help flush any leftover debris in the unit, or you can just put a mixture of baking soda and vinegar down the sink. If the problem still lingers, then call us at 1-800-PLUMBER+AIR & ELECTRIC, the number you can trust for your plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical needs.